here I am now in the shop, and here's my 2024. Let's see if I can get it in full frame, make it a little bit smaller. There we go. Roguelite ST CVO ST, and these are the rear crash guard. They call them now tip over bars. They no longer call it crash guard. They call it tip over. They came with the ones on the front, which you can kind of see here. And you had to order and get the ones that go in the rear. I believe I paid about $500, with the parts and installation, maybe a little bit more. But if I recall correctly, it was about $500. It was just something I did when I purchased the bike, so I didn't separate it. I did it together with the bike purchase. But I believe it was 500, maybe 550 with installation. Don't quote me on it. But that's the only part actually that Harley Davidson have in their inventory right now that you can put on the CVO ST. There's no other parts for it. I'm waiting. Supposedly Harley Davidson is supposed to release a heated grip for this bike. Maybe it's going to come out in March, April, somewhere that time frame. Because right now there is no heated grips for the CVO. There is one that's already been out that's black with a little bit of orange pinstripe or things into it. I forgot the name of it, but it was on another bike. It's not really made for this. I think it can be retrofitted, but other than that, you won't find any heated grips. I'm not going to change the style. I like the style and how it goes with the rest of the bike. It's kind of black and muted so that the red pops by itself. So I'm just actually going to replace this one with the exact same style, but just have it heated, push button heated. One of the things that I like buying a new bike, having them put it together, and is not having any mileage on my bike. On my bike, I have exactly 1 mile. They literally put the bike together and told me to come and pick it up. So, but since it's wintertime here in the great Northeast New York, there's no rush for me to take it home, especially if they keep coming out with more parts that I can add to the bike. It's already here, why not do it? Most of you guys always like to hear it started up. It's in neutral, and here's the sound that it makes. And that is your 2024 Roguelite CVO ST. This is Doc from the Ebony Ivory Cigar Podcast. Have a great day.